Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Friday, January 8th. We're seeing some cloudy skies out there this morning and a little bit of isolated rain showers across the far southern portions of the Delmarva. We have not seen any rainfall here at Wallops yet, as we are seeing a decent amount of dry air in the low levels that precipitation has to break through. Still expecting a slight chance of an isolated shower or two late this morning into the early afternoon hours, but it looks like that is only going to be about a 20 to 30% chance. Any precipitation that falls is going to be very light, only seeing 100th to perhaps 200th inches of rain accumulation, and then seeing the rain chances end by about 4 or 5 p.m. this afternoon. Let's take a look at our current surface analysis. There's that low off of the Carolinas, bringing widespread shower activity to North and South Carolina, as well as portions of far southern Virginia, and we are seeing that area of dry air across the northern half of the mid-Atlantic, and that's pretty much helping to dissipate any of that rain that's trying to make its way up here. So, like I said, only going to be seeing a couple sprinkles. Main weather story for today will be the cloudy skies, and our chilly temperature is only expecting a high into the low 40s this afternoon. Let's take a look at our radar loop across the area. There you see some radar returns across the lower Virginia shore there, but most of this is not making it to the grounds. It does look like, according to our instruments, that rain is only reaching about 6,000 feet before evaporating, so quite a bit to go before we see some heavy enough radar returns to be able to make it through that dry layer. But like I said, still very much a possibility to see some sprinkles or light showers late this morning into the early afternoon. Let's take a look at our satellite loop across the region. There you see abundant cloudiness across the Delmarva. We're already starting to see some clearing across portions of southeastern Virginia, and this will continue to make its way closer to us as we go into the afternoon hours, maybe even seeing a peak of sunshine or two before sunset this evening, and then clouds will slowly clear out overnight, and then seeing partly cloudy skies by late morning or early afternoon tomorrow. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds this morning, seeing northerly winds on the surface fairly light, only around 5 to 10 knots, and then winds are pretty much light and variable through about 9,000 feet, and then shifting southerly at 12,000 feet around 10 knots, and then increasing from the west-southwest at 30 to 35 knots at the 16,000 foot level, and then maxing out between 55 to 60 knots at the 25,000 foot level. Seeing our freezing levels this morning just below 9,000 feet. Taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be looking at a chilly high of around 41 degrees this afternoon. Winds should remain fairly light from the north, around 5 to 10 knots throughout much of the day today, increasing a bit as we go towards the late afternoon or early evening, around 7 to 12 knots. Then after midnight tonight, we'll see them shift more north-northwesterly, becoming 9 to 14 knots when just slightly gusty, around 22 knots by mid-morning Saturday. We are expecting a low tomorrow morning of 29 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to continue to see ceilings around 6,000 feet or so late this morning to the early afternoon, maybe down to 4,000 to 5,000 feet if we get into a shower in the area. And then by the mid-afternoon period, going to be broken at 5,000, overcast at 6,500. Around sunset, we'll start to slowly see those lower clouds move out of the area, becoming scattered at 8,000, broken at 11,000, broken at 20,000 just before midnight, and then by sunrise tomorrow, seeing just a few clouds around 10,000 feet, scattered cloud decks at 14 and 20,000 feet, and then a broken cirrus deck expected. We are seeing tides continue to be 1 foot above normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning. Let's take a look at our long-range weather model to show you how the pattern will be progressing over the next several days. There's that low for this afternoon, going to remain well south of the area, and then eject east of the Carolinas, and then we'll see some drier air start to filter in tonight behind that. So going into our Saturday, we're going to see some chilly high pressure start to take hold across much of the eastern portion of the country. That's going to give us partly cloudy skies and drier air moving in, so it's going to be temperatures in the mid-40s for the weekend, both Saturday and Sunday. Sunday is also going to remain dry with high pressure in control across the region. Monday looks to be dry as well under partly cloudy skies. Maybe see those temperatures bumped up a couple degrees, closer to 50 possibly by Monday afternoon. And then we're going to be watching our next weather system that's going to be here across the Gulf Coast, and that's going to be, this is Monday evening. We'll start to see clouds increase across the area, and then Tuesday we are seeing a little bit of discrepancy in our models on the exact timing and track of this system. This particular model brings the system a little too south of the area to give us substantial rain, but other models are giving us some more rain with this system. But regardless, we are going to see cloudy skies Tuesday, and as well a chance of scattered showers across the region, possibly lingering into Tuesday night as well. Doesn't look like any model's giving us some substantial rain, but there is going to be some scattered showers, about maybe a tenth of an inch or two, depending on which model ends up panning out here. As we go into Wednesday, we're going to see high pressure move back into the area, ushering in a little bit more drier air for a return to partly cloudy skies. Chilly temperatures will continue in the 40s as we go into the extended here, and then looking towards the end of the work week next week, maybe seeing a little bit of some more milder temperatures. Temperatures possibly can get into the lower to mid 50s by Thursday, and then seeing another much colder front start to approach the area for next weekend. Let's take a look at our 7-day outlook. Chance of a shower today around 30%, high of 41. Tomorrow's low is 29 degrees with a high of 42 under partly cloudy skies. Expecting mostly sunny skies Sunday with a high of 45 with that low of 27. Low of 27 expected again on Monday with a high of 48 under partly cloudy skies. Then Tuesday expecting that another low pressure system to move across the area or just south of the region, bringing some about a 40 to 50% chance of some scattered showers with a high of 49. And then Wednesday and Thursday, perhaps seeing temperature just a little bit more mild, with temperatures near 50 degrees and those lows hovering just above freezing for Wednesday and Thursday morning. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.